So one of DCG's core values is do no harm. In the IT industry, that means don't lose anybody's data. Lawyers can lose cases, doctors can lose patients, but we can't lose data. Otherwise, the business goes out of business. And so a lot of our systems are around preserving clients' data as we're doing our upgrades and refreshes. We have to have a thorough procedure on keeping people's data safe. Multiple copies of it, multiple places, hopefully out of state. So that's kind of how we approach that. But there's another aspect to doing IT that I talk to my engineers about. In IT, there's a concept called channelized attention. Pilots get it, doctors get it, things go wrong. When IT people get channelized attention, they're typically focused on the upgrade or the patch or the refresh. And while the engineer's looking over here, the data is being destroyed over here. And so that kind of channelized attention is something we train on, coach on, and make sure that when we start a project, we've got data in multiple places and hopefully off-site and out-of-state in the cloud, but we also have extra copies on site so that even if something goes wrong, we can bring it back. Channelized attention is a reason for data loss, and it's something that we coach on and try and prevent.